Hi, I'm David from Icons Infocom Private Limited Company, and in today's video we are going to learn how an orthopedic doctor can use the Dragon software for making this report. So let's quickly jump into the video demonstration. Open Microsoft Word, insert letterhead, new line, set font size 12, orthopedic knee injury, new line. The patient is 18-year-old girl brought in by her father today for the evaluation of the right knee injury. Full stop. She states that approximately 3 days ago, while playing tennis, she had non-contact injury in which she injured the right knee. Full stop. She had immediate pain and swelling. Full stop. At this time, she complains of pain and instability in the knee. Full stop. The patient past medical history is significant for having had an ACL injury to the knee in 2018. Scratch that. 2018. First up, she underwent anterior cruciated ligament reconstruction by the doctor at that time. Subsequently, in the same year, she developed a laxity of graft due in part to non-compliance, and subsequently she sorted this with doctor who performed a revision ACL reconstruction at the end of 2018. First up, the patient states she rehabbed the knee well, and after that she did had a fine with good stability of the knee until the recent injury. First up, knee line. A review of the system : significant for recent weight gain, occasional skin rashes. Full stop, new line. Impression, new line. Right knee injury suggestive of recurrent anterior cruciated ligament tear, possible internal derangement. Full stop, new line. Plan: the patient will be referred for an MRI to the right knee to evaluate the integrity of her revision ACL graft. Full stop. In the meantime, she can continue to use eyes as needed, moderate her activity, and uses the clutches. Full stop. New line. Insert signature. Print document. Click OK. Stop listening. So that was a small video how an orthopedic doctor can use the Dragon software for making her day-to-day reports. Stay tuned for more videos like this. Thank you.